Hi, so today I want to make a nice mini workout to support you having healthy lungs. And we all know how important it is to be able to breathe fully. So I'm going to give you some exercises to help you have more vitality in the lungs. So let's begin by just checking in with the lungs by bringing your hands to the upper chest. And let's just take what we call some cleansing breaths. So we're going to breathe in through the nose, fill up the lungs, exhale through your mouth. So as you breathe in, get a sense of charging up the lungs and then exhale. And imagine letting go of any stress, any tension you might be holding. Breaking up any phlegm or any fluid that might be there that's not supporting strong lungs. Do that a couple more times. Good. Let's activate a little bit more by making a fist and gently tapping on each side of the breastbone. If you find that challenging, you can always use your fingertips. This always works really well too. So let's just tap here. Take a nice breath in. Let it go. We can even add a little sigh. So let's breathe in. A little sigh and go, ah. That'll calm the lungs and the heart. Inhale. Good, let's do that one more time. Great. And then let's focus on each of the individual lungs. We'll start here on the left side. So with that fist again, let's find a point right there by the shoulder. If you slide along the collarbone, you're going to bump into your shoulder. We're going to tap right there in the corner of the chest. That's lung point number 1 and number 2. And these numbers just refer to the different areas of the meridian that helps to open up the lung, the physical lung. It's like a river that flows into a lake. The lung is the lake and here's the river. So let's take a breath in. Let that go. And one more moment of tapping, one more breath. Good. And then give yourself a little pat on the shoulder. Let's wake up the whole energy channel that runs down the inner arm. And then the back side up the outside of the arm. Let's do that again, all the way down. And then up the back. Waking up the energy here one more time. Good. And then rub that arm. Smooth out the energy that flows from your lungs down into your arms, through those energetic channels, down to the palm and up the backside. Down to the palm, up the backside. Let's do a little tapping here in the center again. Before we move over to the other lung. So once again, we're going to follow the collarbone till you bump into that shoulder, make a little fist there and tap right there. Opening up the lung on the right side. Good. And you decide how aggressive you want to tap. You want to make sure you're keeping the energy flowing here. And then focus on the shoulder. And let's go down the arm on this side. So let's go down the inner arm to the palm, up the outside to the shoulder. Let's do that a couple more times. Just helping the chi move through the arm, through the lung channel and its partner, which is the large intestine channel. And then because we've been tapping, we want to smooth it out. So let's rub down to the palm and up the backside. So we tap first, then rub just to kind of smooth the chi out a little bit more. So we have more vitality flowing into the lungs. Good. Now let's tap the chest one more time. And nice gentle sigh. Good. Just let your hands rest over your lungs just for a brief moment. Smile to your lungs. Good. Extend those arms out in front of you. Let's begin to open the arms out to the side. Let's inhale. Let's open up the chest a little bit. And now I'm going to invite you to touch your index finger and thumb. Exhale, bring it back in front. Open up the hand, turn the palm down. Inhale. Open the chest. Exhale, relax. And the arms can come down a little bit on the exhale. We're going to flip them over, lift them up, open up the hands. Inhale, open up the chest. Touch the index finger and thumb. Exhale, let it come back. Inhale. And exhale. Super. Let's do that a couple more times. Inhale, lift, extend, exhale. Index finger and thumb. Exhale and drop the hands down a little bit. So we're getting not only here at the upper part of the lungs, we're also getting here at the lower part of the lungs. Actually, one more time. Inhale. Exhale. Good. And now let's expand it. So let's inhale, open. Just like we did before, exhale, touch that index finger and thumb. And now open the hands, let's breathe in and imagine pushing white light into your lungs, right into those points we were tapping. Exhale, let's push out some tension. Let's do that again. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, beautiful white light, the healing color of the lungs coming in. Exhale, any remaining toxicity going out. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Two more. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, white light. Exhale, toxicity. Final time. Here we go. Inhale. Exhale. Open the hands. Inhale. White light coming in. Exhale the toxicity. Slowly drop your hands down and just check in with your lungs. Breathe. Just see if it's a little more open, a little bit more energy flowing through the lungs, which will help the overall body and your overall vitality. Let's just check in with those lungs a little bit more by taking one hand, place it at your navel, and the other hand here on the chest. Let your tongue go on the upper palate. Close your mouth, and we're going to only breathe with the nose for this one. So let's inhale, and imagine like your body is a glass of water. We're going to fill up from the bottom up, creating a little wave all the way up to the top of your lungs. Exhale from the top down. So you're emptying out that glass of water. Inhale up. Exhale down. And this is going to help open up the diaphragm, which separates your lungs from your abdomen. And the more the diaphragm moves, the more that energy from your lungs can go into these organs and create more flow in the rest of the body. Inhale up, exhale down. And one more time. Good. One last exercise. We're going to mimic that breath by doing a movement. So bring your hands in front of your waist. Let the palms face up. This is called Buddha's holding up the earth. Inhale, like we were doing before, simulating this coming all the way up to the top of the lungs. Turn the hands so they can be above the head, like you're holding something up here. Exhale and slowly float them back down. So you're breathing from your navel all the way up to the top of the lungs. Get them nice and full. Exhale, let it flow all the way back down. Good. Breathing in. Breathing out. Filling up. Emptying out. Final time. Here we go. Inhale. Exhale. Good. And then just bring one hand in front of the other at the navel. Bring your feet closer together. Just have a moment just to breathe. Check in with your lungs. Check in with your energy. And we're going to lock that energy in the navel with some rubs here. So we're going to go up one side, down the other. Do that for 9 rotations. And then reverse it for 9 more. And I hope that helps. Have a wonderful day. Take care.